cute.
Welcome back, everybody, to DS Pokemon. On this, I am Dad.
This is Charmander and Sun.
Charmander and Sun, apparently. On this week's unboxing, we are focusing on Team Up. So for this week, we have the other True Steel box. So last time we did the Zacian box. Now we have the Zamazenta box.
Yep.
And there is a single Team Up pack in here.
And we got
Then we have 3 of the Pokeballs. So Pokeball, Great Ball, Premier Ball. And then we have 4 of the blisters, 2 each of Pikachu and Mimikyu. And then I think we still have 1 Team Up pack in our closets. That should give us 6 packs, even though we only need 5.
So I have 1 spare.
So what should we start with? Do the box first.
And then we do Pokeballs.
Then we'll do the Pokeballs? Okay.
Because I need my Great Ball.
You need your Great Ball?
Because I want to do all 3 10s. Because I want to get every single Pokeball 10.
There's a whole bunch of them, kiddo.
Yeah, bro. That's why I want to collect them all.
Gotta catch 'em all!
That.
Pokemon! Oh.
Thank you.
So we've already discussed in this box. We'll just move on. We discussed it the last time.
Here you go, Dad.
So we have the cool Zamazenta promo card.
And I got myself a figure, which I gotta go find
You gonna
my
hold it up there?
Zacian, because I lost my Zacian somewhere. So I have to go find it.
And this is why we have binders for the first rounds of cards. So we don't lose them and we keep them in nice, clean, pretty shape.
No, not
for
that.
many
I
years
meant the
to come.
figure.
Ooh, he has like a cape, or is this fur, huh?
It's fur.
That's a cape.
It's fur.
But it looks like a cape.
When you take the cape off, or the fur, and you take the shield off, it just
Oh
looks
my
like
gosh.
an ordinary wolf.
Oh my gosh. So we have a Zamazenta pin, which Boyo wants me to put up there next to Greninja. So we will do that at the end of the video.
Woof. Woofy wolf.
We end up with 2 more Darkness Ablaze. So we can probably do Darkness Ablaze Thursday opening. We got the 1 Team Up that we need. We have a Sword and Shield, an Evolutions, and a Burning Shadows. Oh, and a code card. So a code card belongs to you. Now, which Pokeball should we do first?
Great Ball.
The Great Ball first.
Charmander can sit right here watching this. Charmander's gonna watch us with Pikachu.
Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh.
What? Bad tape.
Not tape, childproof plastic. Plastic.
Hey, I'm 30 bucks. What? You said I was 30
Do you
bucks.
want to open?
Open.
Okay.
Yeah. Sun and Moon.
Ooh, these are all messed up.
There they are.
Okay, Sun and
Burning
Moon, yep,
Shadows.
Burning Shadows.
Here.
And more evolutions. Excellent.
I got a Zora.
A who?
A Zora.
A Zora? Like Zorro out of the night when the full moon is bright.
No. It's not.
Rides the horseman Zorro.
No.
Zorro!
No, not.
He's fast and cunning and free. I'm pretty sure that's the words.
No, it's not.
Zorro! He makes the sign of the Z.
Charmander, why are you falling? Why are you?
You don't want me to sing, baby girl?
Yeah, but it's a Zora arc. Zora arc.
You can open this one too?
I want to see what's in here. Yeah. They're all messed up.
Okay, I'll take care of those. We got more Sun and Moon base sets.
Hey, you
more
got the
Burning
same
Shadows,
thing. Zora arc.
and more evolutions. And these packs are all kinds of squishied. Thanks, Pokeball 10, for ruining our packs.
They're not ruining our
And last Pokeball is the Premier Ball. Pretty sure it's a Premier Ball, right?
prime balls.
Not Prime, it's the Premier Ball. It's the ones that usually give you for free when you're buying like bulk Pokeballs or something.
No, those aren't
And it's
free.
dented.
Great. Because of you.
Not because of me.
Because of something.
because of shipping. What we got in this one? Probably the same exact packs.
Yep.
Sun and Moon base set, Burning Shadows, and an Evolutions. All right. And you got the same coin?
Yep.
So 3 of the same coin. All right. Well, let's move on to our blisters here. 1 of each.
So I'll get another Pikachu. And I get a Litten coin today. Yay. I love Litten. It's a Pokemon starter from Alola.
Team up. Code card. And a Mimikyu. A bunch of, what is a little Litten coin?
Here's your...
Team up pack.
Wait, you gonna save that one up?
Yep.
Okay. So much track I have to do today. So much track.
Dropping your coins.
I'll get it.
More Littens. All the Littens and the kittens. More code cards. And our pretty little Pikachu and Mimikyu cards.
Got it! So I get a Pikachu as well. So this is gonna go in my Pikachu binder. There's your booster pack. I broke the plastic.
Why you gotta throw stuff at me? What did I ever do to you? What did I ever do to him?
Smacking.
Nothing but love and cherish my boy.
Oh, very funny. You smacked me
Nothing.
with cardboard today. You smacked me in the face with it. And it hurts.
I don't know what this child is talking about.
Such a liar. He's a fire.
Oh my
He's
gosh.
lying.
So, as I said, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 team ups. We got 1 more Sword and Shield, 2 more Darkness Blazes. Looks like we have 3 Sun and Moons, 3 Burning Shadows, up to the back, 4 Burning Shadows, and 4 more Evolutions. Excellent.
The poor Pokeballs.
And
You
yes, we will
dented it.
wrap up with putting Zamazenta up here next to Greninja, where you want to get right.
Yes. Because Greninja needs a friend.
Does Greninja need a friend?
Yeah.
That poor, poor, poor Greninja.
Yep, and I do not get an extra pin today. At least I got the a Pikachu one from last week. I think so. I don't know. Or was it a Charizard? Yeah.
Well, that concludes our Friday unboxing for Team Up.
Giddy up, Posey. Giddy up.
If you've enjoyed our videos, please hit that like and subscribe button, hit that bell icon to be notified of our future videos.
What? Bye-bye? What? What? What did you do at me?
Because he's a big giant goober. Big goober. So we'll see you Monday for the Team Up pack opening.
Bye-bye.
Not even on the camera once again.
Bye-bye.